4.
Good afternoon, I'm Tina Tyshaw.
And I'm Edward Moody. Thank you for joining us. The lead at 4, another day of powerful testimony in the Alex Murdaugh double murder trial.
Right now, we want to give you a live look at what's going on in the Colleton County courtroom. The state is trying to prove that Murdaugh killed his wife Maggie and son Paul in June of 2021. The defense says Murdaugh is innocent. They are pushing the theory that someone else, possibly 2 people, committed the crime.
But the moment everyone will be talking about was when prosecutors played a video in the courtroom, one that could hurt the defense's case. News 3's Andrew Davis is live outside the Colleton County Courthouse in Walterboro with more on that. Andrew.
Well, I'll tell you, we've got multiple moments to talk about from today, including one that just happened a few minutes ago. But that video you're talking about was the talk of the room and the entire area and maybe the nation this morning. It's a video we've heard rumor of for months. It's coming from Paul's phone. It happens at 8:44, just a few minutes before they were both killed, he and his mother Maggie. And it appears to have Maggie, Paul, and Alex's voice all on the same video.
That's a guinea. This is a chicken. Come here, Cash. Come here, Bob. Cash. Quit.
That video just shows the dog itself, but prosecutors officially never said who the other voices were, but it's absolutely believed to be both Alex and Maggie Murdaugh. Now, this was made, according to experts, just 5 minutes before both Paul and Maggie stopped answering their phones, and it is a big deal because Alex told investigators in an interview just 2 days after the murders he hadn't seen Paul or Maggie since supper. The prosecution also made another big statement during the morning session that there's missing data from Alex's phone, a call log that offers only 2 calls between May 30th and June 7th in 2021. That was the night of the killings. The second came an hour after both of those murders.
For a call to be removed, you can go in and very easily go to your call log if you chose to, and you can swipe it. If you move it to the left, that number, it'll pop up red on the right-hand side and say delete. And if you choose to delete that call, you could do that.
So those calls were deleted, correct?
It would appear that way from based off of looking at the reports and the examination of the phone.
And then just this afternoon, one of Paul's own best friends took the stand and admitted to the jury and to the entire courtroom that the voices heard on that video, 100%, he says, were of Maggie and Alex Murdaugh, thus destroying much of an alibi that Alex had put out to investigators in that second interview. Rogan Gibson is still on the stand right now. We'll have more from him tonight at 6. We're also going to have reaction on a very big day in court from our legal expert coming up tonight at 5. In Walterboro, Andrew Davis, back to you.
All right, a bunch of potential bombshells there. Thank you, Andrew. We have followed every step of this case from day one. To see some of our previous stories, as well as watch a daily live feed of the trial, go to WSAV.com/Murdaugh.